get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. I'm gonna get ya. Yes. Say hello, world. Hello, world. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Baby. This is what Adele thinks of a diaper change. Rama, she can't breathe. It's squeaky. It's horrendous, but this is what we live with regularly. It's okay, baby. It's okay. 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 I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. What would you like to tell the people at home? What would you like to tell the people at home, Adele? Anything? Anything, Adele? Would you like to tell the people at home something? What would you like to say? I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hi, Jelly. What do you think? What do you think? What's doing? Yes? Adele is almost 7 months old and she is not crawling, but she is wallowing. Right, Deli? This is Adele in wallowing mode. You got a snotty nose. Look at that nasty nose. She does this sometimes after she eats or when she's tired. She just starts wallowing. And it's a combination of wallowing and I think trying to crawl, but she's nowhere close to crawling just yet. What are you doing, Deli? What kind of diet should we go on? Should it be the no milk diet? The no milk diet? The extra organic rice puffs diet? The we love carrots diet? That one's really yummy. Do you love carrots, Adele? Are you going to do the Hulk for me now? What are you doing? Uh-oh, you're hitting yourself. Don't do that. Can you say Daddy? Daddy? It's Father's Day. Can you say Daddy? Where's Daddy?
I see you, Belly.
Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy?
It's you, big girl. You say, yeah.
Look at you! Hey! Hey! Hi, this is Mary, and this is Adele's 7.5-month report. I decided I'd start actually getting in the camera with her. Adele got her first cold about 3 weeks ago. And then she got better, and then she got another cold. So she's been sick for a long time. Last week she went on her first road trip to New Hampshire. And she did pretty well in the car. It was a 9-10 hour drive. And we had minimal screaming. She did alright. She is now sitting up completely by herself. She's trying to crawl. And she's saying da 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 a lot. Right, Adele? Adele, what are you doing? What are you doing? You can push up. There you go. So she's growing up. It's fun to watch. Adele! What are you doing? You having fun? You gonna sit up now? You're trying, aren't you? She still cries a lot. She doesn't like to be by herself. She likes me to be right next to her all the time, and she would prefer to be held all the time. She has no interest in standing on her feet or in putting any pressure on her legs. She likes to sit or to try to crawl. That's it. Over and out. 7.5 months. And down.